In this tutorial, we're going to look at a few useful functions for working with numbers. Let's start by defining a variable like x and set it to 2.9. Now to round this number, we can use the built-in round function. So we call the round function, give it x, and then print the result. Let's run this program. So we get 3. We have another useful built-in function called abs, which is short for absolute. And this is the absolute function that we have in math. We give it a value and it always returns the positive representation of that value, even if that value is negative. Here's an example. Let's call the abs function and give it negative 2.9. When we run this program, we're going to see 2.9 on the terminal. So let's go ahead. There you go. So absolute always returns a positive number. Now, technically in Python, we have a handful of built-in functions for performing mathematical operations. If you want to write a program that involves complex mathematical calculations, you need to import the math module. A module in Python is a separate file with some reusable code. We use these modules to organize our code into different files. As a metaphor, think of a supermarket. When you go to a supermarket, you see different sections for fruits and vegetables, cleaning products, junk food, and so on. Each section in a supermarket is like a module in Python. So in Python, we have this math module, which contains a bunch of reusable functions for performing mathematical calculations. So let me show you how to use this module. On the top, we type import math, all in lowercase. With this, we can import the math module. Now math is an object like a string, so we can access its functions, or more accurately, its methods, using the dot operator. So if you type math dot, look, these are all the mathematical functions available in this module. For example, we can call the ceil method to get the ceiling of a number. So if we pass 2.9 here and then print the result, we should see 3. Let me delete all this other code here. All right, let's run this program. There you go. So we get 3. Another useful method is the floor method. So let's give that a try. Floor of 2.9. What do you think we're going to get? We get 2. Now, there's so many functions built in this module, and we don't really have time to go through all of them. But let me show you how you can learn about them on your own. Open up your browser and search for Python 3 math module. Make sure to add the version, Python 3, because the math module in Python 2 is slightly different from the math module in Python 3. So, Python 3 math module. Now here, you can see the documentation for this module. Let's go. Let's have a look. If you scroll down, you can see the list of all the functions and their explanation. So as an exercise, I encourage you to spend 5 minutes, have a quick look at this documentation, see what functions are there for you in case you need them.